Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking a little boy named Peter fishing, and he is autistic and he is amazing. He loves fishing. I have taken him fishing once before. It was during the Kiddie Pool Classic, which is a local autistic group here locally. And we had a fishing tournament for them, and he was so much fun. He was a blast. The tournament was only a couple hours, so I'm gonna see if we can't get him out for a couple more hours today and see what we can't catch. So let's get going.
Heartbreaks, tears, painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of.
Yeah, that's a huge pinfish. Look at the blue on the bottom of his tail.
We noticed that Peter, when he was growing up, when he was probably about 2 or 3, he was a little delayed in speaking, and so we knew that something was up. So we went to through Easter seals. We got him tested about when he was about 3.5, 4 years old, and they said that he might be autistic. He might have some sensory integration disorders, things like that. So then we went to a neuropsychologist over in Sarasota, and he was the one who diagnosed him when he was 4. And that's when we knew. And so I think with anything like autism or sensory integration disorder, the earlier that you could diagnose them, the better, especially with therapies, speech therapy especially, and also with getting him in the right school with the right teachers and the right what they call the IEPs that help the teachers and also the schools do their best to put them in the right classes and with the right teachers, and also to get them therapies in the school system that they can put him in. So he's 11-year-old and sixth grade. So his mom and I, he had a great experience in elementary school. We actually, kindergarten was great. When he went to first grade, we had just an issue with the teacher. She didn't exactly know how to deal with a lot of special ed kids. So around spring break, we pulled him out, put him in a different school, which was really good. His reading skills went straight up. And then we applied to put him in a special charter school that was a communication and arts program. And we didn't know until 2 weeks before school, actually a week before school started, that he got in, and so we scrambled around. That was a great experience for him. He loved it. He loved the school, loved the teachers. They had a great special ed program with speech therapists and also occupational therapists, and just a wonderful experience. And then middle school was what we were really concerned about, because there are not a lot of middle schools offer a lot of the programs or know how to deal with kids with special needs, and so we opted for a private school. We were able to get him into a private school, and it's been a really great experience because the class sizes are small and the teachers are really responsive and just have his best interest. He loves to fish, absolutely loves to fish. He loves anything that lives, so pretty much in the pool, if he gets a frog or if there's a snake or something, he'll come out and he'll try to take care of it. If a lizard. He loves anything in the water when it comes to wildlife, especially horseshoe crabs. He has a really, he loves horseshoe crabs. He knows everything about horseshoe crabs, and he'll tell you about the blue blood. He'll tell you, all the things about horseshoe crabs and their lifespan and what they do and things like that. So, but I could see him doing something either in the marine biology field or something, but he also loves to build, and he's an artist, so I think probably another Lego builder or Lego master or something. So, architect.
Is
He's
the
in the
team-
fishing club. Yeah, the team is a senior high program, so he's in the fishing club at his school, which is interesting because there's not a lot of schools around that actually have fishing clubs or fishing teams. So this is like the first. I think this is the first year that they're doing it. So.
All right. You got. Oh, it got you in the dock.
Did he get off?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get him again. I know where he lives.
Oh, he took the leader and everything. What was it? Okay. Oh, it's another snook. There we go. There we go. All right, we're gonna let some line out.
Oh, he's big.
Step right behind you, so you step down, okay? We're gonna step in the boat, and we're gonna fling him towards you, okay? Okay, now step right
He's like, no, we're gonna fling him towards you.
There we go. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nice. That's a big one. Peter's like,
Just like a bass. They have no teeth.
let me grab those rods.
Yeah, he floats around. So are you on the fishing team?
Yes.
You guys fish anything yet?
And we're gonna go out on December 5th after school.
Where y'all gonna go?
I think they wanted to go. They wanted to go do a bass fishing off of 70 or off of 60.
Oh, Jig's Landing.
No, not Jake's Landing. There's like a little.
Something bit out of his eyes.
They ate his eyeballs?
That's a nice one. That's good.
Cast.
That was money shot. So how many people are on the team?
Yeah, I think there's on the team. There's 2 boys. There's senior high schoolers, and then there's a fishing club. There's like about 5 or 6. I think we have like 2 or 3 girls in the club.
Perfect. Oh, it's a little baby snook. Perfect. All right, stop reeling right there. And back up again for me, please. Beep, beep, beep. Perfect. And we're gonna 1, 2, 3, sling them over. Whee! Oh, no, we're not. All right. There it goes. The small ones have like, their colors are so much more vibrant. Easy. Easy. Want to hold it?
Should I hold them? Like the bottom maybe?
You can hold the tail.
Stick your finger. Do you want to stick your thumb? Put your thumb right on top of Chasten's thumb. Do you want to try that? They'd have no teeth.
There's your hand.
I promise. I'm good.
No, look, you can touch his tongue. Touch his tongue? Right there. It's not like ours. It's like touching right here. I promise you. Pinky promise.
Okay.
Touch his tongue. Now touch his tongue. See? It's like the same thing.
And when you put him back in, he'll suck on your thumb.
He's like a little
doesn't
baby. It's a thumb sucker.
Get it back.
That's your grouper. That's your grouper. And look, I just got a fish too. Look at that. Oh, your fish is cooler than mine. I caught a giant pinfish. Ow.
It's like your fish grew.
Yeah.
Didn't Marcus,
No, she never caught it.
what was that?
Oops. You can catch sea bass.
Yeah.
Catch lots of sea bass, but this is a little, I think that's a little gag grouper. See how his, here, let me get out of the,
He caught a bass.
see how his fins are blue? That's from eating blue crab.
Oh yeah. Before Peter.
And these, you hold their mouth shut. Here, you hold it. Put them down. Pretty please.
Ready? So the blue is the eating fish crab? Or
Eating blue crab.
Blue crab, right?
Yep, on the bottom of the tail. Right there.
1, 2, 3. All right.
Do you want to take it?
So,
Grouper have big teeth. Like you can kind of see one right there. They have these big teeth, just like live grouper. So you never want to hold them like a bass or anything like that. But what they do is when you catch them, they'll try to fight you and put you back into their home, which is a rock. big.
Grouper nuggets.
Yeah.
Group nuggets.
Nuggets.
So pretty.
Look at the color right there.
I know. So pretty. I love these things. Okay. Mwah. Yay.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Don't let him beat you.
Oh.
It's another grouper. Shoot. Same one. Look at that. Yes. New pliers? Where were you? Just out in the middle? Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're just out in the middle.
Oh, hang on. Can you get that out of my finger?
Alright, I'll take that. And you want to grab the fish?
Oh,
You want to try and hold him?
No. You grab it. He's just got so many. See his little teeth? Baby fish. Wow.
You want to hold it, Peter?
No.
No?
So you can
See, like,
hold it.
you can see the eyes.
He's got little teeth right here. These things are pokey too.
And he's dark. Look how dark he is. You want a couple more cranks? Wow,
He doesn't look fight that much.
this one's a lot. This one has more color.
These guys
Well, you said you could really feel it in
Yeah. Oh!
right after the boat.
And he's hooked up. Mention that guy's looking back in the plate. Oh, get him!
What is it? Oh. Doubled up.
Another grouper.
And you're taking this one spot.
No, I'm not taking it. You caught him. You guys should take a picture. Here. What if you hold the line? Can you hold the line like this?
Peter, hold the line.
Hold both of my legs, and then your guy's gonna hold the fish, and then you'll have a little picture. Doubled up.
Oh, that's cute. All right, hold on.
Make some triple tail action.
Do the bonita because it doesn't matter.
Oh, there we go. Dang, that one is angry. Another grouper.
Wow.
Whoa.
We should rename them.
Yeah, this is no longer snapper. This is just straight up grouper. Yeah, this is no longer. Yeah. Open up your bail real quick for me. Now, if I catch a fish, this is going to be interesting. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Open your mouth. Got it. Oh, sorry. He's gonna have a head. What was that? Oh, that's the mackerel. Holy cow. I think. What is that?
I don't know. Shark? Peter, what is it?
It might be something. A shark might be chasing it. Oh.
Can you see it yet, Peter? No, I do not.
Peter, do you want to come down here and catch this?
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to come down here and get it? What was it? It just jumped, did it not?
Oh, this is like the worst. Oh, it's a redfish.
What?
It's a redfish.
Oh my gosh, it is. Did it come off?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, see, that's why
Holy bro.
Peter needed to catch it.
Oh
Couldn't
my
get it.
gosh.
How did you just catch a redfish?
No. And it was weird too because he was here.
It was acting like a mackerel.
Wow.
Look at that. Wow, parade.
That was fun.
Look at their mouth. Look at the scratch marks on them. That's from him trying to get back into the rocks. And down here, he got beat up. Sorry, dude. Oh, he's got bait in his mouth.
Should we head back?
You. Look, can you see the bait fish in his mouth?
Yeah. bleeding.
Sorry, buddy. Made you throw up your lunch. Top water grouper. Bam. Really? You don't like fish? And I got my bait back. Let's get some 3-aught demon perfect circle hooks. Some of these bad boys. Not too big, not too small.
Oh, wait, go back down.
And then we do the uni. Oh, Mom, you need to not touch the rods anymore.
No. No,
Sorry.
I don't want that. Oh my god. I still got a hook though.
Oh, good.
Oh. Did you see where I casted it?
See, I said one bait like 10 minutes ago. What happens? Say one bait and all the fish go, oh, now's our chance.
So I was editing like 30 gig videos on my
See something different. It's a trout! Oh my goodness! Get in the boat! Get in the boat! Swing it, go whoosh! These have very soft mouths. See how it ripped a hole in the mouth right there? Trout have very soft mouths. So you have to be very careful when you pull them. Oh yeah, they got teethers. I think this one's a girl. If they grunt,
Oh, it's purple.
if they grunt, they start. If they start making noise, they're a boy. If they don't make noise, they're a girl. Boys talk back.
So is this one you can eat or no?
You could, but they're not in season. They closed them. Usually you can, but this year you can't.
Alright, turn around.
They taste really good. One more. Awesome. Sweet. And look at your dad.
1, 2, 3. I will say this. Chasten has been absolutely fabulous. Her family, her mom and dad, and just her passion for fishing, passion for teaching kids how to fish and having that same passion and being able to help kids with special needs. Just have that experience of going out and doing something that she loves and sharing that with them is absolutely fabulous. So we thank Chasten for everything.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet.
Link and subscribe. Link and subscribe.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Now I don't have to do that at the end. That's
Good